Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour, and in this video I want to show you just some of the really useful things you can do with Snagit. You take the screenshot, but then there's so many ways that you can mark up, annotate, improve on the screenshot. Let me show you how. I wrote a recent article about setting up a world clock on your Google Calendar. It's in our Geeks On Tour. And I needed this screenshot, and so notice that the actual calendar items are grayed out or blurred out. I've pointed over to the world clock, and it's kind of a square that fits in the article better than the wide screen. So let me show you how I did this. I used something called Snagit. It's installed on my computer, so this is a Windows computer, but it does have a Mac version. The easiest way to get to it is click search and type Snagit. And there it is right there. The first thing to do is take the screenshot, and that is the capture. And there's lots of settings in here. I'm not going to go over it all. I click capture, and then it asks me what I want to capture. Well, I want this full screen, or I could drag across what I want, because yeah, I don't really need the taskbar down at the bottom. Do I want to start a video recording? No, I just want to capture this image. Now it opens it up in the Snagit editor, and this is where the magic happens. First, I want to cut out some of the middle. Now, everybody knows that you can crop from the edges, but how do you get rid of stuff in the middle? I don't need any of this real calendar stuff, and I want it to be more of a square than a rectangle. What you do is cut out, and I can cut out horizontally. I want to cut out vertically, and I just drag across what I don't want. I don't need any of that middle. I want it to be recognizable as the calendar, but without all that stuff in the middle. Now, I even want to blur out what's left. More and blur. And I just say, this is all the stuff in here that I want to blur. So if you have any important information that's not important to your teaching, that's how to do it. Now I want to highlight this area over here because that's what's called the world clock. I will click on shape, choose a red outline, and draw a red outline around it. Now I want an arrow and some text. And I can move that around. And let's say for some reason I don't want this April 22. I don't want this to be dated, so I want to get rid of that. I can just select it and delete. I don't have to get out an eraser. So you can remove things from a screenshot using Snagit. Now I would save this wherever I wanted to, or copy it and paste it into something. This screenshot shows what I want done.